Today we're exploring a beautiful forest. It is actually a rainforest, situated on the edge of the Great Dividing Range in southeast Queensland. Every now and then we come across one of these amazing tall blue gum trees. Really impressive. As we descend into a gully, we enter a patch of Piccabeen Palms. It is a very popular area for the birds, as a lot of them feast on the fruits of these palms. Have a look and listen to some of these birds. Wow, that's really special to see a Woompoo Fruit Dove. They are rarely seen as they spend their time high up in the canopy. You can hear their amazing call in episode 42, Sounds of the Rainforest. I'll put a link in the description. The Satin Bowerbird has a really interesting story. You can read it on my blog. It has something to do with the eye. I'll put a link in the description. Let's bring our attention to the forest floor, where we can spot some interesting little wildflowers, like this ivy-leaved violet. Very pretty. The forest is changing into a more open, wet eucalyptus forest, with a ground cover of Bracken Fern. And then we descend some more, back into the rainforest. And down here is a small creek. It's a great place for a little rest. Very peaceful. These pretty purple flowers are called hairy fen flowers. What a beautiful intense color. Check out my blog this week about purple wildflowers. You can find the link in the description. Oh, and look here on the tree. A couple of Sigma Darner Dragonflies are mating. What a special sight. As we climb, the forest opens up again and we reach an interesting place with a sandstone overhang. Oh, you see that? White-headed pigeons just came flying out of the cave. I wonder what they were doing in here. I can see a lot of their footprints on the sand. Around the corner is another smaller cave. And here we have reached the end of our walk today. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel for more and let me know in the comments what you enjoyed the most today. I'd love to hear from you and I hope to see you again on the next walk.